This is a This or That Food Edition! Let's go! This or that, hot dogs and sandwich. This or that, French toast and Belgian waffles. This or that, hot wings and cheese sticks. This or that, sushi and pasta. This or that, tacos and burrito. This or that, shrimp and salmon. This or that, chicken and meat. This or that, nachos and popcorn. This or that, barbecue and steak. This or that, corn dog and hot dog. This or that, regular fries and cheese fries. This or that.
Did this make you hungry? What is your favorite food? Comment down below and make sure to like and subscribe.